up, girl? Rich Soul back at you again, and today is the 4th of July, Soul Food Weekend. All right, you guys, we gotta get it in, honey. So let me tell y'all what I'm having today, because I would like to know what you're having today. So I have some jerk ribs from a special place, and here in Atlanta, it's called Juicy Jerk. They have some great jerk ribs, you guys. It's so amazing. And I have some. I went to Kroger's and got these bad boys and put them on my little grill, my little George Foreman grill. Okay, don't play. And some lobster tails. Yes. Oh no, you did not just follow me like that. That proves me how good you are, but we're gonna put you right back over there. And then this one right here, some more lobster tails. Look, I ain't gonna bend that one over like I did that one. We ain't gonna do all that. Oh, that's some good flavor. Okay, all right. And then I got my some mac and cheese back here, but honey, let me tell y'all, it's mashed potato mac and cheese. Ain't no elbows left. You know, mac and cheese would be some elbows left in it. Ain't no elbows in this mac and cheese. There's a whole bunch of cheese. Okay, now of course we got my watermelon. Okay, for dessert. All right, okay. We already know how to piece of foil. You like it my kind clean. Granite tops. Okay. All right, so let's get this started. Who is bright in here? I got me some soft box lightings, because my last video, as y'all can see, it barely had lighting in it. And I was just like, oh, wait a minute, hold on. No, we ain't gonna do that on the next one. So here's some rib tips. Well, Jamaican jerk. I've been waiting for these bad boys. Yes. So how many of y'all celebrating the 4th today, or what y'all gonna do today? I know there's a lot of barbecuing and a lot of fireworks, so that's the good news. Good old jerk rib tips. Oh, I have some Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle, or chipotle barbecue sauce. Honey, that's so good with this. So what's been going on? What's up, y'all? Like, what's going on in these YouTube streets? Holla at your girl. Leave some comments down below or something. Let's talk about it. I know some people ain't celebrating the 4th of July. And some is. But I'm telling you guys, this temperature, the climate, you know, of everything is just it's sad. Sad but true. But we're gonna all get through this. We're gonna all keep loving each other. We're gonna all keep hugging each other. We're gonna all be good. It's all good. It is all good in the neighborhood. Man, these are good. And I put these on the George Foreman grill, you guys. It's actually good. Like, whoa. These are so good. I just wanted to spend my 4th of July dinner with you guys and check in and be like, hey, what's going on in these YouTube streets and what's going on with you, what you got planned for tonight. I just wanted to holler out there because I'm about to watch these fireworks myself. And I'm so blessed. I have a nice apartment complex. And they are out there or going to be out there shooting. They were shooting the other night. You know how some people can't wait till the 4th of July. And they just got to shoot something now. That's how my complex is. But they looking, they nice looking. These ribs are so good, so juicy. Jamaican jerk ribs. You guys have to try something like that. You guys gotta try this. If you're in Atlanta, Georgia, please hit up the Juicy Jerk. They're fire. They're fire. I had a neighbor actually introduce me to them the other day. He was like, just try a piece. I'm like, okay. Okay. Yeah. And your girl is back today. Okay. Yes. If you're in the Atlanta area, hit them up. This is so tender, so seasoned, everything. This is what's up. What is it, Sweet Pea? You can't handle this. Char grill, that's a George Foreman grill, y'all. Don't let me fool you. I don't have a grill I can cook on, okay? And let me take my lobster tail that fell down. That proves how good and tender it is, but dog. That lobster tail. You still falling off. That proves how tender this meat is, okay? That proves how tender it is. I'm like, look, I barely can pull, and this is just, you know, that piece like it's about to fall. This is like butter. So what I did, I'm sorry, I put this in it. Look at that, it's falling off. Wow, I used my butter sauce and just kept basting it inside of my air fryer. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is the best way to make lobster tails. Get your air fryer, okay? It's a whole new level. It's buttery, just straight buttery. Just fall off the bone. I guess it's not bone in here, but you know what I'm trying to say. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, come on. The coldest water. Open up for me. Woo. My neighbors out there, they jamming outside. I'm like, what y'all got? Hey, a disco. Hey. And then when the fireworks come out, I'm gonna be over there like, hey. Go Rizzo. Go Rizzo. I was just be clowning on. Never mind me. I'm just gonna keep it real. That lime juice. Yes. Look at that. Yes. That grill. Mmm. That lime makes a difference. I know, Sweet Pea. I know, baby. But Mama ain't ate most of the day. I'm gonna show y'all Sweet Pea at the end of this video. She's like, oh, you gonna show me? She wiggling her tail down there like, you gonna show me? Hold on, baby. Mom gotta get this in. You done ate before me. Can I eat too, please? That's all I'm trying to say. Can I eat too, please? You done ate before me. I need to get this other lobster tail. See, this one intact. Woo! Thank God I changed my armpits today. I know I done kind of raised it over and, I shaved them. I'm a mess. Man, that upstairs, woo. I gotta get another one of these. Ain't nothing like some ribs on the 4th of July. How many of y'all out there grilling or got a barbecue to go to? I'm trying to tell you. Oh, I didn't show you my mashed mac and cheese. Ain't no elbows up in this bad boy. Oh boy. Man, that lobster tail is everything. Can't even say nothing. Uh-oh. They getting the fireworks started. I don't know what time would it be when I upload this video, but honey, before my dog start barking, I best to go. And plus I'm gonna go out here and watch them anyway. So I just want to check in with you guys. Okay, Sweet Pea. Alright, what you want? Why did you? Okay. Come here. You gonna come back over here? Okay. Hey, how you doing? Oh boy. So here's Sweet Pea. She obviously wanted to be seen. So we're gonna wish y'all a happy 4th of July. Oh, Sweet Pea, you need to try on shades. Hold on, let's see, can we get Stay still, sweet pea. You can do this. Look. She like, what is this? No, a little bit. You got it. See right there. That was good. That was a good shot. You gotta show these people. You gotta show YouTube you about that life. See? It look too dark, huh? Because y'all already can see gray and all that, different colors, but alright, well, I'll wear them for you. Alright, baby. Oh. Woo, child. Hold on, I ain't get to my watermelon, sweet pea. You up there. Okay, I use this because, you know. What your paw up for? What you got your paw up for? She got her paw up like this, like, look, you know what it is. You gonna hand me up there and ain't give me no food? But it's your girl, Risto. And y'all already know, loving you is like food to my soul. Until next time. Peace and love.
For better or worse, vows were spoken. I thought our love was special, even golden. So many lies, deceits causing corrosions. Another chance only for wounds to reopen. Never faithful, so many women